leh. Assalamu alaikum everyone. We are gathered here to celebrate life, to celebrate inspiration, to celebrate how we work together as a community to guide each other, to work with each other, to be inspired by each other, to take philosophy and lessons from each other. And so, thoda ja halla gulla jaiz hai, right? So, my name is Iqra Khalid. I am the Member of Parliament in Mississauga, Erin Mills, and also the Parliamentary Secretary for the Minister of National Revenue. मैंने अक्सर ऐसी इवेंट्स में आके कहा है कि पॉलिटिशियंस में और शायरों में कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. How many of you agree with that statement? Yes, yes. मैं आपको बताती हूँ क्यों. क्योंकि हम जिंदगी को एक डिफरेंट तरीके से देखते हैं. We work to build with each other, build on ideas with each other. भले वो लिबरल पार्टी के छोटी मोटी सी मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट हो, भले somebody as big as Parveen Shakir हो. We are inspired by life, by the people around us, and we work together to celebrate who we are together collectively. चाहे हम इंसानियत की बात करें, चाहे हम रिलीजन की बात करें, चाहे हम कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग की बात करें. Ultimately, we are more similar than we are different, right? So I am here to pay my respects, to give my regards to all of you, and thank you for your contributions to building our community, to building our society, and to recognize a great legend like Parveen Shakir, the work that she has done, the poetry that she has written that has been translated in so many different languages, the hundreds of thousands of people that she has inspired in her life. I think we are all here because we are inspired by what she has had to contribute. So we pay our tribute, we pay our respects, and we continue to take lessons and inspiration from the work that she has done, from the life that she built, and the legacy that she has left on, including in her son. So thank you all very, very much for having me here today. I have a small token of appreciation on behalf of the Government of Canada, myself as your Member of Parliament in Mississauga, Erin Mills, to recognize this monumentous gathering, and I look forward to seeing you out and about in the community, and I look forward to continuing to serve you as your Member of Parliament. Jazakallah khair. Thank you all very much for having me.